Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck. Today, or should I say tonight, hold on, gotta let Ninja out. And of course, during any cooking segment, Ninja's gotta go outside. Have fun, get a mouse. So, tonight, I'm gonna be making just a plain bean burrito, but I'm excited because I'm trying these new refried beans with Smokey chipotle that supposedly made in Mexico, the real authentic taste of Mexico. But summary of today, I posted the short of me in the VW earlier, which by the time this video airs could have been days ago. But rained a lot of the day, went out in the VW, went for a walk with Ninja. Gee, she walked 10 minutes out, 10 minutes back with me, but got no beer. That's intentional. Not going to get beer for another 7-8 days. And because of that, I got a little room in my belly, believe it or not. I'm going to make a little bean burrito, and with the leftover beans, I could do some tortillas and bean dip. Is this in focus, or are my glasses that bad? Hard to tell. Maybe I'm just not in focus. So, let's see what this says. Open corner of pouch and place in microwave, 2.5 minutes. Okay. It's also a good time to have my generator run for a few minutes and test it with a little load. Okay, so we're gonna crack this baby. Open corner. Okay, well, I opened it about halfway. So 2.5 minutes. Get out a little salsa. Get out a little tortilla. Let's get a plate. Tortilla. Oh, a little shredded cheese. We'll put that on the tortilla before it goes in the microwave. Tupperware for the leftover beans and to dip it into. Let's see what we've got. Tortilla's ready to throw in for like 15 seconds. It's done. Okay, let's rip that off. Squeeze. They are definitely hot. Woo! Woo! Give this a little taste. They look good. Well, maybe not. They taste pretty good. Now, if this was Taco Bell, that would be all the beans you get. Room to fold it. Happy to use this up because I've got 2 other jars of backup. Yummy. Okay, we're going to fold that tortilla properly so none of it falls out. Let's give it a taste. Pretty good. So in conclusion, I like those beans. They're inexpensive, they're easy to use and heat up versus a can. 2.5 minutes, boom, they're done. And I think they are tasty. Anyway, thanks for joining in. Ninja and I greatly appreciate it. Please like the video, give that thumbs up, a couple of smashes, smash it up, give it a good black eye. If you haven't subscribed already, be great to have you subscribe so you get alerts anytime I post a new video, which is almost every day or two. And go out there, be positive, be nice, be active.